I'm here with my new first drone. This is a DJI Mini 2. I recently purchased this drone and I'm so pumped about this drone. I never flown this any kind of drone, any sort of drone before. This video is all about what is in the box of DJI Mini 2. So let's jump into the video. Please stay tuned to witness my first flight with this awesome drone, and please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you so much. So I bought this DJI Mini 2. It's a fly mode combo. So it's supposed to come with three more batteries, one carrying case, one charger, and some propellers. They don't have price mentioned on the box, but it cost me around 600 euros. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is a really nice, cool looking case we have from DJI, and the material is really soft. I really like it. So let's see what's inside the case. Okay, we have small drone, big controller sort of things. Small drone, big controller, it's cool, nice. Then we have, it's supposed to be some charger, yeah, accessory it seems. Okay. Cool brick, thank you so much. Okay, this is to connect your mobile basically. Sure, thank you so much for this, DJI. This is a battery pack. So as this is a fly mode combo, I have two batteries inside and one battery should be in the camera, it should be in the drone. So total 3, good to have. Drone controller. That seems heavy. Wow, this remote controller feels so good in the hand, so sturdy. And with this rubber texture on the back side of the controller. This is your antenna cum mobile holder, and this is cord to connect your iPhone. You can change it with the given two cords with other one. These are two small joysticks to control the aircraft. This tiny joystick, even if you lose it, don't worry about it. You get one extra pair in the box. Thanks to DJI for that. The overall feel of joystick is really soft and premium, so you don't feel any kind of cheap material thing while using the joystick. It's really soft and tactile. As this one is the fly mode combo version, it comes with the propeller guard, and it comes handy while traveling and carrying purposes. Some extra propellers, thank you very much for this. 2 extra knobs, as I said, don't lose it, but DJI make you cover of this just in case if you lose it. 1 small screwdriver. That was it. This was a very small quick review of what is in the box of DJI Mini 2. Very basic things. One drone, of course, controller for it, charger, 3 charging case, 3 batteries, power brick, cable, some extra joystick, extra propellers, and 1 screwdriver. That was it.